this is my trip to Marrakesh in Morocco. I traveled to Marrakesh for a week and I spent a nice time with my friends I traveled with. We're 18 number. So I'll show you guys everything that went down from the time I touched down at the airport here to or when I got back to UK. Anyway, this is when I got to the airport. Despite the whole earthquake incident, I still had mad fun. I had mad fun. These are the girls I traveled with. We're 18 number. The airport is actually very cute, very, very, very lovely. Yeah, not so big, but it's actually very lovely. We just got to our hotel. It's close to the palace. This is a yeah, this is just a tour of the house. I'll show you guys downstairs. So this is upstairs. The house has a total of 5 rooms. It has a large kitchen downstairs and 1 room with the living room, and it also has the rooftop like a lounge upstairs. Very, very, very massive house. And all the rooms are in suites and has anything you can think of in the room. Like it has a hair dryer, it has like lots of supply of toilet rolls, towels, everything, like just so amazing. Even the kitchen has a toilet inside. The house is very, very big. It has a basement, it has a storage room in the kitchen and a basement. Like it's so massive. The storage room alone is as big as a normal double room here in the UK. Like it's bigger than a double room. It's very, very, very massive. Anyway, this is a apartment is so beautiful. This is the rooftop here, so big and beautiful. we're about to head out. We're going to the water park. It's me feeling sexy. Anyway, guys, this is our Syria water park. I'm not gonna lie, I had mad fun in this water park. Like, it was so exciting. There's so many water activities to do, so many. I didn't even get to do all. I did just a couple of them, and it was so nice. This water slide thing, it was very, very, very nice and scary. This is like, there's this stuff you go under the water. Anyway, you guys just see. This is me feeling sexy as usual. Yeah, I was wearing my bikini. This is the water stuff. I almost drowned. You won't know in this video I almost drowned. So if I'm the third person in the video. It was so scary. The lifeguard had to rush to help me. Anyway, this is it. They had like pools. This is another interesting activity I did.
Your friend, she's next in line. Oh.
This is the night of the earthquake. We're all outside, like the whole citizens were outside, just staying for safety. It was a really scary experience. I was shaking all through the night. I couldn't even sleep. I couldn't even blink my eye. This is when we packed our bags. We were staying outside. It was really crazy. Hey guys, so after the earthquake that happened on the 8th, I've hopefully gotten myself back, and I guess I'm still recovering. So I just want to share my experience with you guys that day. So that day that my friend and I went out to the market. We had some activities we went for in the morning and in the afternoon, and I got very tired. We were supposed to go to a restaurant, a bar that evening, but I was tired and had stuff to do, so I just said I'll just stay home and rest. So I said I was the only one to stay back at home in this very, very large house. So I took my bath. After they left, I took my bath. I was resting. I called my mom, so I was just talking and just with my mom. Then all of a sudden, I just felt this vibration. It was kind of small. I was like, because I've stayed close to railway stations, and I know how this vibration feels. It just felt like it. I was like, there's no train station around here, no railway track. What's going on? I was still listening to my mom. That's when the vibration continued. Just like, Jesus, what's going on? Let me just wait, let me wait to stop. I paused for a minute, then it continued. The whole house was shaking and vibrating. Just swaying left and right. I was like, God. So she was saying, because I was the only one at home. I was really scared, but luckily I didn't feel alone because I was on call with my mom. I was shouting, Mommy, the house is shaking, the house is shaking. Mom was shouting, and I didn't even know what to do. I saw all the whole paintings and artifacts and all that, all the whole stuff falling off the wall. The building was like this, and then immediately I was like, this house can fall down. Any second from now, I have to like run. I was holding just my phone and the house key. I didn't have the house key was in my hand because I think I just held the house key when my friends left. I was just holding the keys. So I ran, and I had to pass through the corridors to get to the stairs, and the stairs were quite long, so I ran down the stairs. That was still vibrating. I was scared that was going to fall me. So I ran with just my neck. I was physically naked, and my gun was very short. After I put up a picture of it, and when I got outside, I saw lots of women out there crying. I was without slippers, so I came out just naked without my wig, not anything. Then I was outside, I saw women crying. I was just trying to talk to them. Like, oh, what's going on? What's going on? They could never speak. They could never answer me. They were just crying. Oh God. Kept on running around. Oh, let me find where to go to. Let me find who I can even speak to. So we're speaking French and we're speaking Arabic. Nobody could understand me. Finally, I found someone who could speak English. So the young guy, I was like, thank God. First night I asked him for was, please, can you connect me to your Wi-Fi? There was no internet. I lost my internet connection. Anyway, he now connected me to his Wi-Fi. After I asked him if he could speak English, he told me yes. He connected me to his Wi-Fi. And I asked him what was going on. He was not trying to explain to me. Then that old man who could speak English now passed. I was like, the earthquake, the ground shaking and everything. He was trying to explain to me. I was like, oh, earthquake. Like, yes. But I should calm down, because I was out of my sense. Like, I was in shock. I don't even know how to explain it. I wasn't just myself. I couldn't even speak English well because I was just shocked. I was just confused. Anyway, because I was calling my mom, she was already scared when she heard how I was shaking. So I was already seeing my phone since she called me more than 10 times, but I wasn't online, so it wasn't connecting. Then I now have to call her back immediately. So guys, we're going out now, so I'll just continue my story because I'm already out. Anyway, so I called my and I was like, wow, there's another story. I'm safe. So started googling and researching about the earthquake, places that are affected, trying to know if I'm in a safe place. Then I called my friends who were out there in the having fun. And they're like, oh, they felt it already. I don't just know if I'm safe. I was like, guys should come on, don't come and miss me. Then they said that they will be coming very soon. But like, everywhere was good. Then me and the Moroccan guy here who could speak English, I was like, oh, let's go. Because everybody was tripping out of this estate, of the street, going to the main road where there are no buildings. So I said, let's go. And he was now walking with me. We were walking out with the old man. Then I was without slippers. So I saw this Moroccan woman who was wearing a slippers and holding one in her hand. I don't know, probably for someone else. And I begged her, since she was walking alone, please can you give me slippers? Because I was walking barefoot and the ground was very rough, broken bottles, broken windows, stones, because they didn't have construction in that area. It was kind of very rough, and I know if I kept on walking like that without slippers, I was going to get injured. This man told me, no. I don't know, she was like hijab, because I was practically naked, like she can't give me slippers because I'm not wearing hijab, but can you see this? Please can't you help me? So the guy, she could not even understand what I was speaking, but she knew I was asking for slippers. And the guy who was with me now have to speak to her, talk to her. Then she now finally agreed to give me the slippers. Then we walked outside. The whole Morocco was outside. The Marrakesh was outside. So I could never see space to stand, but I was feeling somehow. Everybody was looking at me because I was wearing my nightgown. Like, is it bad for someone to wear a nightgown inside house, or did I plan for this thing to happen? That you're gonna look at me as I'm naked and you guys are. That's what I'm missing. So I felt somehow. After staying for some time outside, the guy now told me to go back and get my clothes. I was like, yes, because I was actually very cold outside. So we now ran back into the streets, into the house. When we got to the house, I was very scared of going in, but I ran upstairs to grab my clothes and my bag. My handbag contained my passport and my other stuff, so I just dragged my bag. I was already with my phone, and I took my slippers. And I ran out back to the road. And when I was on the road, I was there for a few minutes, and my friends were looking for me. They started calling me that they are somewhere around. So I now got to the entrance of the estate and I saw them. So now it was crazy. Waiting outside for like hours. We go outside. Everyone's been around past me. We stayed outside around past me. And then some people were going inside. Some people were like, we're not just going inside, but my friends and I go inside. We had to like go to our bags, like just in case we need to run. Like that's good to get. It was crazy. I'm going to put up the video I made. I was not even myself. experience, and I experienced it alone. But with my friends, they all together and then a restaurant a lounge. And in the lounge, we did not really experience what I experienced because the noise, the whole vibration of music, and just had this dancers dancing and performance. So they thought the whole vibration of the building being part of the performance. Really was in the house. And the impact on the house of more than the impact on the restaurant. But the house was actually like vibrating. There are lots of cracks on the walls. I attached video. The house was at 7 left and right. So it's really crazy. But thank God I'm fine. So guys, this is the aftermath of the earthquake. There are lots of cracks on the wall of our building. This is just me showing you guys around the cracks and all. It was really scary and I was feeling very skeptical staying in the house, scared of the house falling down, especially when I'm sleeping and not so conscious or aware of my surroundings. But anyway, God saw me through because I had no other place to go to. So this is everywhere. These sculptures and all that, it fell off. Some were broken. So many cracks, like so many cracks on the wall. Even upstairs, can't even go upstairs. This happened behind this shelf in his walls. I don't want to push it out because it's a bit difficult to put back. It's quite heavy. Even the AC was pulling out. This is how the estate was before the earthquake. This is just the environment, very peaceful and calm. Yeah, this is it. But after the earthquake, some buildings fell off. Like some parts of the buildings fell and were broken. So this is just the environment, very, very calm before the earthquake. So this is the environment after the earthquake. You can see buildings broken, some with cracks. So this is it. This is how everywhere looks like. Anyway, my friends and I said I won't spoil our fun, so we went for this quad bike and it was actually amazing. We had so much fun riding the bike in the desert. So this is me showing off my skills. I had so much fun that day. This was just the day after the earthquake. The morning after, I was still shaking. I was still very scared, but I had to go out and have fun. So after the quad bike, they gave us food to eat. This is Morocco. They like dry bread, very raw dry bread, and that tea is actually very delicious. That tea is very delicious. The following day, we went to the mountain and waterfall. Our tour guide was very funny and interesting. Was telling us history about the mountain and the caves there.
Of the monkeys and flamingos. The Arabs from the Middle East in the 7th century. So again, the Berbers they didn't have much war technology, so they had to get to hide in the caves. And the third time was during the French. There is a like musician groups that are called Tuaregs, and they're in different countries of North Africa. How did they get there? To go inside the caves, it wouldn't be possible from here because it's very soft. It easily breaks, so they made tunnels from the backside to go inside the caves and out. So the Muslims,
Passing through the mountains to go to the waterfall, we also stopped by a place where they make argan oil and skin care creams. This is the place I learned a few things about making the cream, and I also assisted them. It was actually a very nice experience. I learned about the different seeds, the different ways of making cream.
So this side is the cosmetic side, this one is aluminium. This one it takes like 6 hours to make 1 liter of argan oil, and this one just 4 hours. For our because already roasted, easier to mix it. And this one hard to mix it, that's why it takes a while. So the next step how we work, we put the grain inside and that's to turn in the bag. After the oil with space comes up from here. So we need water to separate it. For example, in summertime we need cold water. In winter we need hot water. After that separation, we got leftover. So this one we can use it like black soap. Also we can mix it with the water using like scrub like essence.
Finally, after working for hours, we finally got to the waterfall. It was about a 1 hour journey going there and like 1 hour journey walking back to the road. So we decided to make a quick cute video. We're also tired here. This was us on the boat. Then afterwards we went to eat. The next day we went to the spa. Spa was a very beautiful place, and it was much needed, like very important to me, because after that walk of yesterday, now my leg, I couldn't even move again. So the spa, I really felt the effect of the spa. The massage I got was very nice. It made me feel more like more like a person, because I was already like losing my mind after the whole walk of the previous day. They gave us this detox juice. It was very delicious. Like it had this mint thing there. It was like smoothie with mint leaf or something. It tasted minty, but it also tasted fruity. Initially, I was very skeptical about drinking it because it looked like blended leaf. It looked like blended, and I saw the particles of the stuff inside, but I had like 3 glasses. It was so delicious. They gave us cookies and biscuits and also their favorite Moroccan tea. Then I had my session. This was just before I had my session. Yeah, this is the pool. This is the spa, looking so lovely, so cozy. We also had this horse ride tour around the city on a carriage. We saw various places in the city. It was really interesting going on the horse. than going on a car. Although it was a bit slow, but it was interesting experiencing riding on a horse than going on a car on a road. We had lots of activities back to back. It was so interesting. This is the camel ride in the desert. Then, yeah, we also had dinner in the sunset after the camel ride. The camels were very stubborn. They didn't allow me get in. Kept on disturbing, and the head of the other one was actually like very close to the one I entered. So I was so scared of getting in safe. And the camel were doing like they want to throw it down. They're very stubborn. So we had dinner. This is the dinner. We had fries. They made it in a very special way. Look at it. It's not regular fries. It was so delicious and spicy. I don't know how they made it. And they also gave us soup. To be honest, I didn't like the soup. I couldn't even eat it. If you can see, my soup was still filled up. I couldn't eat. Then they gave us the regular normal bread. They always give us bread everywhere. This is my friend and I in the desert. It was actually a very serene, beautiful environment. It had a pool just beside us. Yeah, at the back there. So after eating, everyone gathered around the bonfires. My friend and I were just gisting about our life experiences, just talking. It was a very cool experience by the fire. So this is when we're about to go back to the UK. This is me in the Marrakesh airport trying to catch my flight. Alright guys, goodbye. Au revoir Marrakesh. As they speak basically French and Arabic in Marrakesh. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe.